Hey everyone! Today, we're taking a close look at the Dyneata Cooling Ace, the bladeless neck fan that's been popping up all over social media. Ads are claiming it can cool you down by up to 20 degrees in seconds. Sounds amazing, right? But before you rush to buy it, let's see what's really going on. So, what is a Dyneata Cooling Ace? It's marketed as a high-tech portable neck fan that keeps you cool anywhere, anytime. The problem? When you dig a little deeper, things start to look a bit fishy. First off, the same device is being sold on sites like Alibaba under different names, often for a fraction of the price. That means the high-tech claims may just be rebranding marketing hype. Those limited time offers and almost sold out alerts you see online? Classic sales tactics. They don't actually indicate the product is in short supply. Then there's the manufacturing and origin claims. The product is said to be made in the USA or Italy, but there's no verifiable evidence, no real business address, no proper contact info, and no clear manufacturer. That's a major red flag if you're buying tech online. And let's talk about the reviews. The website is flooded with 5-star reviews, but you can't leave a real one yourself. That usually signals filtered or fake reviews, which makes it hard to trust what you're seeing. So, is the Dyneata Cooling Ace a scam? I wouldn't go that far. It does function as a neck fan, but it's definitely overpriced and a lot of the marketing claims are misleading. If you're considering it, my advice is to hold off, stick with trusted brands, check verified reviews, and make sure there's real customer support before spending your money. At the end of the day, staying cool shouldn't come at the cost of getting scammed. Be smart, do your research, and don't fall for flashy marketing. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and tips to shop smarter in 2025.